Hey everybody, so this is an 8-foot Snowco made up in North Dakota. It's got the dual flighting, 2-stage, has the thrower in the middle, chain drive for your 2 pieces of flighting, then you got a cylinder so you can adjust your spout left, right on the fly, and then of course you've got your pitch adjust right here for how far you want to throw things. 540 PTO, again 8 foot wide. Thing sounds absolutely good, works great. Bottom edge is in really good shape, guys. And this thing, we haven't gotten a lot of snow this year in Nebraska, but I'll guarantee the year you get those big drifts and stuff, this thing will eat right through it. Like I said, this thing sounds good. There's no squeaking, squealing, nothing. I'll show you the hydraulics real quick. Show you everything works there. So, I'll go ahead and throttle her up, I guess. Okay, guys, that thing sounds really smooth. She is ready to go to work.